see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up.
Hey y'all, Vaughntwins here. I'm Kiana.
And I'm Kenya.
And welcome back to our channel. So we wanted to talk to you all about this look that we've done today using the Jackie Aina palette. This is the collaboration that she did with Anastasia.
Beverly Hills, yes.
And then we also wanted to talk to you all about the new direction for our channel. So take it away, Kenya.
All right, so guys, first I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. We are very excited because we have completely rebranded the Vaughntwins, and we are going to be going in a completely different direction, as Kiana stated.
Yes.
So we're going to be doing videos in the area of beauty. Right, which is like makeup looks and things of that nature.
Like natural hair.
Yeah, it'll encompass beauty from the inside out, basically.
Right.
So it's going to be beauty, natural hair, as well as fitness. Yes.
Yeah.
So we're going to be showing you guys our fitness goals because, again, we feel like beauty encompasses everything from the inside out. That's everything from how you tone your body to what you put into your body, and then also to how you are showing up in the world on your exterior.
On your exterior as well as your interior. It's all about the confidence and exuding that confidence from the inside out. And so, again, Kenya and our Vaughntwins, rather, our brand is beauty from the inside out.
That's right. So, for this first video that we're bringing to you guys, it's going to be focused on beauty, and that is none other than the Jackie Aina palette. Yes, guys. We picked this up from Sephora. When did we get this? This was about a couple weeks ago. The cost of this is
$45, and it does come with 14 shadows, you guys. It comes with pressed pigments as well as mattes.
Yes.
This is a look that Kenya and I have done today. So if you all are interested in seeing this look, then keep on watching.
Yes. Alright guys, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It's this right here. And I'm going to prime my eyes so we can get into this Jackie Aina palette. You feel me?
You feel me? What that I'm going to do today is, let's see. Let's see, I have on like a light blue color, like jeans, sort of denim shirt. So I am going to take some pinks and purples. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna use this color. What is this? Pinker, right here, as my base. And then I'm gonna pop Big Wig right here in my crease. And then I'm gonna take Shookington and pop it on my lid.
I love that name, Shookington. That sounds just like Jackie Aina. Jackie Aina. Shookington.
It sounds like a Shakespearean something word or something to me. The brush that I'm going to use to fill my base in is going to be the, what is this? This is a 221S brush by MAC. I love this brush because it's sort of taper. So as y'all can see, it sort of comes and fans out a little bit. This will give me an opportunity to get this color all over the base of my lid without making a huge mess. Now, one of the things that you all have to keep in mind if you have small eyes like Kenya and I is that your brushes really do matter. A lot of people say that they don't, but for small eye girls, they do.
They do. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give myself a nice bronzy autumn look since we are approaching the fall season. I'm going to start my base with, let's see. I'm going to start my base with Credit. That is this right here. Then I'm going to go in on top of that with Wiggly's. That's this right here, this reddish color. And then right in the middle of my eye, what do you call this?
Your crease?
In the middle of my eyes, I guess.
Eyelid?
Eyelid, yes. I'm going to go in with Zam Zaddy. No, it's just called Zam though. I'm going to go with Zam. And then to fill out the outer part of my brow, I'm sorry, what do you call this? The outer part, the V.
Like the V. Oh, yeah, yeah. So you can do smoky, like sort of
yeah, smoky. I'm gonna go back in with Credit. So let's get it poppin'.
I love this brush, you guys, for small eyes. The 221S, it stands for synthetic, but I love this for small eyes. Cause see, I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm just gonna tap that in there just a little bit, And let me just show you guys what I'm doing. I'm looking at my mirror too, but let me show you. So I'm actually sort of in a way looking up, and I'm placing this brush sort of underneath that brow bone, if that makes sense. I mean, it is considered kind of your crease, but I'm going a bit over my crease because again, this is sort of going to be my base color, you guys, and everything is in a way gonna go on top of this. Now, I'm not placing this color onto my actual lid right here, because what I find for me is that when I place too much on my lid before I actually go in and put my real color that I want on my lid, then everything sort of looks like murky or muddy. I like to leave my lid clear, a clear canvas for the actual color that I'm gonna put on. But I love this brush, you guys, for putting on my base, because look, see? It just went on really nice, really smoothly. I love this brush. All right, so
I'm using the same brushes as Kiana, so I'm just gonna let her continue to talk about the brushes.
okay, and so for the crease, you guys, I'm not sure if Kenya has this brush actually, but I love this brush for the crease, and this is the Sigma Shader Crease E47. This is what it looks like right here, and again, it's essential for small eyes, especially if you want to do like a cut crease look or something like that, or if you just want to carve out your crease, or you just want your crease to be more defined or what have you. I just think it's essential. So I'm just tapping it right here into Big Wig, tapping it on the side and then sort of pouncing it in there, you guys, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my crease a couple of ways. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go right in there like this, and then sometimes I find that this doesn't pick up as much color as I would like it to, so sometimes I'll even take it on the side. See, so like I'll go on the side right here, and I'll just sort of lay it right in there, right in the crease, just to define it. And I'll just keep going back and forth, like windshield wiper motions, you guys, sort of just to blend that in.
And I'm just blending in what I have just put on my lid crease. And then I'm also just taking the color up, which is Wiggly's. I'm taking it up and I'm blending it into my brow bone a little bit. Right in my brow bone, I am going to put Soleil. It's this one right here. It's that lighter color. So, as stated in the beginning, in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and put Zam, which is that bronzy rose gold color right there. I'm going to go ahead and place that on there with my MAC brush. Again, as Kiana stated, we have small eyes, so I'm using my 226S MAC brush, and I'm just going to place that right in the middle.
You guys, these colors are so pigmented. I really, really love them. Very. Okay, so let me show you what this is looking like so far. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! It's so pretty! It is very pretty, y'all. It's very pretty. Oh my gosh! So this is what it looks like right now. Okay, now y'all can see the difference between the two colors. You can see like the pinker up top, and then you can see the big wig right below it. Now we need to blend, okay? For small eyes, you don't want to blend everything out after you put your lid color down. Why? Because you don't have a lot of lid space to work with, y'all. You're gonna blend everything together, and then you're not gonna be able to see what's actually on your lid. So I always blend before that. So in order to blend this out, I am actually going to use my MAC 217S brush. This is what it looks like right here. It is a bit wonky on the side, y'all, because it happens when I wash it. But I'm just gonna blend. Blend, blend, blend.
Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. So just so that you all know, for the glitter colors that's in the Jackie Aina palette, I did have to wet my brush, so I just wetted it a little bit with this just to pick up a lot of that pigment, and it is gorgeous so far. So I'm pretty much done with applying that rose gold color, which is the Zam, on the middle part of my lid. So I'm gonna go and create my outer V color by using my MAC, what is this one? 41, MAC 41. And I'm gonna go in with Credit, and I'm just gonna blend out the outer V.
Okay, you guys, look. So it's blended. Can y'all see? And I like it. I like the way that that's blended. Okay? So now I'm going to go in with Shookington and put that on my lid. Okay? This is like a pressed pigment, this Shookington color. So I'm actually gonna go in and use this Sephora. It's like a silicone looking brush thing. I love this thing for pressed pigments, you guys. So I'm just gonna dab that and then just literally press it on my lid. See, there's the color on the silicone and I'm pressing it. Y'all see that? See? And because I'm using this little silicone brush, I didn't have to put a base down in order for this to truly like show up.
I'm just using my regular brushes. I'm not using the silicone brushes, even though I have them.
So guys, as you all can see, the base color, the lid color is down. Now I'm gonna go in and just define more of my base color. So I'm gonna go back in with pinker, you guys, with that same brush that I used before, which is the 221S. And we are just going to just very lightly, you guys, go back in and, you know, we're just gonna go back in and just make it just a tiny bit more, just give it just a little bit more pop. Just a little bit more pop. Because we have small eyes, let me tell you what happens. This is a huge pet peeve of mine. And if anybody has an answer to this, please let us know. But what happens is when you put your base color down on your lid, it goes all the way up here. Like as soon as you close your eyes, basically, your lid color will have a tendency to go into the crease and even above that. Because like, again, we don't have a lot of lid space, so, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, but that's what happens. And so I like to kind of go in and clean that up.
I love this palette. Oh my goodness. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna drag this Zam color down and I'm gonna bring it into my inner corner just because I love a good glitter pop sensation on my inner corner. And then on the bottom part of my eye, in my, what do you call this? Waterline.
Oh.
In my waterline, I am going to line my eyes with wigglies.
With wigglies.
And then we're gonna finish off this look for you guys.
Yeah, man.
Okay, guys, so that completes our look. This is the look. What do y'all think?
Yes, please let us know what you guys think about this look down below. You guys, let us know what other looks you'd love to see from us. And let us know what you all think about the direction of our channel, you guys.
Yes, we're very excited. So as stated, we're going to be bringing some fitness videos to you guys. We have already completed one specifically in the area of tightening up our booty and our abs. Yes, so if you're interested in watching it, go on ahead and click here, click the card here. It's the link is also going to be listed down below in the description box.
That's
too.
right, yeah. And so again, let us know what you all think about this look. All of the products that we both use on our faces will be listed below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe, you guys, to our channel if you're interested in beauty videos.
And just so that you guys do not get confused, Kiana is rocking the purple look.
Purple.
And I am rocking the autumn. This is the step into fall or step into autumn look.
And this
with
is the
my
transitional
red
look.
and my glitter and all that other stuff. I love all the colors in this palette, but anyway.
So if you all like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
And also click the bell so that you are notified whenever Kiana and I post a new video. We want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, y'all.
Mwah.
Bye.